Hello guys, I'm super excited and I just wanted to show you something what is really important for you. So yeah, maybe you see it already, like everywhere are sticky notes. And yeah, I just wanted to tell you something about them and how they literally are changing still my life. It's just some things like, for example, ideas and goals. For example, like I help 3D artists to get clients, like yeah, videos about that will come. Or for example, like what's the sense behind it? It's, you know, because like all of my life I had like always a very shitty mindset, you know, like very negative, like no success thinking, no motivation, like I was only doing shit and all that stuff, but I knew all that what I'm writing there, you know, and I'm sure you also know like what you have to do and all that stuff. But the thing is, if it's just in your head, you forget it and you have like a lot of unconscious, like bad and negative thoughts. But if you surround like literally like all of your apartment with like sticky notes, and I'm not talking about like making notes on the phone or something. I did that for years, but you do them once and that's it. They are collecting digital dust somewhere in some files. But if you do like that, or for example, I had like a big problems with alcohol, smoking, porns, drugs, sexual arousal and all that stuff, you know, like what is not good for me and my success and my goals, like, but I knew it's bad, but like if I write it down, okay, it's again in German, but like ich verzichte, I don't know what's in English, but I'm not doing porn, I'm not doing alcohol, I'm not doing smoking, I'm not doing like procrastination or all bad stuff. The thing is, I'm cooking like every day and then I'm seeing that all the time. And the thing is, it's literally reprogramming your brain, you know, because you have like a lot of negative thoughts and you are most of them unconscious. But if you put constantly like positive, like productive thoughts which make sense for you in your brain and you read it all the time, every day, all day, you know, your brain is just really reprogramming. And I'm starting already, like if I'm outside or I'm not reading all that stuff, like I have much more thoughts about that what I'm writing here. Or for example, I help people to grow and help them to reach their full potential. It's what I'm doing now, you know, and if I first have to be it like inside, you know, it's first to be have like in my brain and I first to have to live it, you know, and then that follows what just happening is right now. And for example, like the last years I'm like getting like those questions like who am I, you know, like what do I want in life, like how do I can help people, like what's the sense of life and all that stuff. And I'm just writing like I find it out who I am and I find it out how I can people and all this stuff, like in the I am form. It's super important, you know, like not I will, because then like I will is like infinite in the future, you know, but if you say I am, it's what is happening now, you know. And if you say it like all the time in your head and loud, I also speaking loud to that note or just saying what written down there, like I'm getting it. And yeah, also like, I don't know, like some stuff that are important, like I have like a millionaire mentor, like which gives me like clarity or for example, like I have a goal, you know, like I want to find a goal for like, I don't know, like $5,000 or something, you know, like, but a good one that will really help me like with mental, with mindset and like business and all that stuff. And then like the next question, like how can I afford a coach for $5,000? And then like the next thing, you know, like I have to do like 3D animation, I have to learn, I have to do a lot of 3D freelance and all that stuff. So, you know, it's not just writing, yeah, I'm millionaire and all that stuff. The thing is, let me show you. You know, not just like I'm billionaire, I'm millionaire and you don't write or think about how you get there. Because there is a lot of this dog shit stuff on the internet, like getting fast, easy, and it's just thinking it's not, you know, like you need a plan. For example, like, yes, I want to be, or I am a millionaire, like in the future, I know it already, but you know, like for example, also like my goal for next year is like 100,000 per year. It may sound a lot, maybe it's not so much for me anymore, but for you maybe or some other people it may sound 100,000, how? But if you break it down, it's like $8,500 or something per month, you know, that's already much more reachable. And then if you break it down per day, it's 280. And when you have like the smaller numbers and you ask yourself, what do I have to do every day to achieve so I can make $280 a day? And if you know, like our brain is like purely constructed for problem solving. And if you ask yourself, how can I make, or even better, I am making $280 a day. If you say it like constantly every day, you will find and search unconsciously for opportunities, and you will find them. It's how our brain works. It is literally like that. All I'm doing now, it started in my mind, and yeah. Also like YouTube ideas, just few days. Like I think like in a few weeks, all my screen will be full of videos, because man, I'm really enjoying it to do it. Like I hope you too. So like and subscribe in the description here. So yeah, consistency trumps intensity. You know, it's like on my desk, because it's one of the most important things for me. Because right now, like I know, like in this world, social media, like everything has to be fast, getting fast, millionaire and easy and all that shit. You know, but it's better, like Jeff Bezos said in an interview, and that stick really to my mind. He said like how the Navy SEALs are saying, slow is smooth and smooth is fast. Or like consistency trumps intensity. Not fast, but do it slowly, but right. But on the long term, it will be much more substance, you know? So yeah, like literally I have it everywhere. Like here, you know, writing blog, 2 decisions to make, like my last video, sticky notes. And I'm also making like this, I don't know what's it called, but sticky notes, it's like what I'm doing now. And I'm also have to drink a little bit of green tea because I'm super excited. And no, I'm not on drugs anymore. It's just like really that energy from within. And I thought that I only can have that energy if I take drugs in my past. And like a lot of them, you know, and I had that energy and all this stuff even more. But now it's completely, I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't do anything, I don't even drink coffee, just drink tea. But that's already like pam, you know. I'm super excited. So yeah, also like here, bedroom, you know, it's so important like to have near your bed and not your phone, guys. Not your phone. Because blue screen, blue light, and if you are in the middle of the night getting up and getting to your phone, guys, you know it. You will check Instagram, you will check TikTok, or I don't know, like all that stuff. So just make plane mode, phone, other room, so you don't even think about it, and write down with pen on sticky notes, you know? Because you have like a lot of, you are the most creative in the evening. Yes, for everyone it's different, but for me personally, like before I'm getting to sleep, I'm getting like ideas like how I can create nuclear bombs or something, you know, like it's a joke, but I'm writing so much. Some ideas, like next day I'm looking at them and then I just throw them away, or like here everywhere, like for example my goals, like 100,000, all that stuff. It will be there till I reach it, and then I will throw it away, and then will come the next sticky note, you know. But yeah, like it's so nice, man. Okay, so also like bathroom, because you're brushing your teeth and all that stuff, and not chilling on your phone, and at the same time like brushing on your teeth, guys. If you do it, that I don't know, but here just also I'm working every day to achieve my goals, you know. I earn every day $275. Like I finally leave Georgia and all that stuff, and it's super important to surround yourself, because I don't know, maybe you are also in a position like me. Like I didn't have like mentors. I don't have friends that are like better or more skilled than me or something. My parents are completely basic. My grandparents also, you know, like I never had in my life like people who tell me what to do, who tell me how to be successful. I have to do it all myself. I have to learn, I have to read, I have to try, I have to experiment. And you know, and for me, I'm just sharing it with you. And I hope, guys, don't do that with your phone right now, or just don't, please, yeah? Don't watch just that video and go after that to the next one. It's pure mental masturbation. Like I'm also reading a book, and like chapter for chapter, and I'm making notes, and I'm so slow with that book. I could read it like in 2-3 days, but what gives it to me? And also like here, like make maybe 1 or 2 notes, write it down, just the idea, I want to make notes. And guys, literally it's a really good idea, because yeah, that's the thing what I wanted to tell you, you know, it's surrounding yourself with positive things. And also like, I don't know, like I'm chilling, doing something, you know, and I have an idea, and bam, you know, like I am ready, like I am ready to write all that down, so I can't lose it. Because I don't know, like it's for you, but I tell you also, if you start with stuff like that, you will find out like you're super creative, because literally throughout all of the day you will get like idea after idea after idea after idea. I can't sometimes sleep to get to sleep like 1 or 2 hours, because my brain is so full, not just overthinking, but with the ideas. Yes, I'm also a big overthinker, but yeah, I'm also working on that. Guys, like, do it. It's super important for you. I also created a free PDF for you where you have like the most important parts. Don't forget it and you just have it. So yeah, guys, that was a short, very super excited video without like notes on the screen, without any effects. Just a freeform video, but I don't know, I'm super energetic. And I wanted to show you that. And guys, yeah, let me know. And also, just one super important thing. Guys, if you do it, yeah, and if you also will get crazy like that, I don't know, if you live like with your parents or your friends will come, which are like normal-minded, like not such big thinkers like you are, and you want success because you're watching that video till now and you like that idea, so you also will implicate it in your life, and then people will come and see it and they will think, what's happening with him, you know? And if you are doing this, guys, show me a photo, a picture, like send me on Instagram or on my email. That would be really cool to see for me. So yeah, let me know, leave a like, subscribe, see you next time.